Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new tutorial. In this guide, I'll show you how can you install VPN on TP-Link router. Now, in order to install VPN on TP-Link router, you need to follow the steps. Now, first of all, you need to configure a VPN connection and choose your desired device or router. Then select device can access. Then these devices can access the remote VPN server. So first thing you need to visit is the TP-Link Wi-Fi.net and log in with your TP-Link ID or a password you set for the router. Once you've done it, so you want to then go to the advanced section. So once you've done it, so go to the advanced and then you want to go to VPN client. After you've enabled VPN client, then you want to save the settings. Now then add VPN server and enable the one you needed. Now in the server list section, click on the add button. After you've done it, so in the server list section, select the add button. Now specify a description of the VPN and choose the VPN type. Now then enter the VPN information provided by the VPN provider. Then in the server list, enable the one you needed. Once you've done it, so click on add manage the device that will use a VPN function. And in the device list section, you want to click on the add button once again. Now choose the add button, or you want to choose the add devices that will access the VPN server you have configured, and then you want to go ahead and save the settings, and after which you'll have to refresh your device and see you've successfully installed VPN on TP-Link router. So that is how you could do it. So I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.